今天孩子的学校让我们去做一下 HVAC 的 career 的介绍，暖通空调行业的职业介绍。孩子回来说，这个周呢就是 career 的介绍周。他们班同学里面好几个家长干不同行业的，有好几个都被邀请给小朋友们讲一讲他们的职业和行业。在加拿大这边，小学5、6年级就有这样的活动，让家长参与进来，也让小朋友们能多了解各个行业是什么情况，为以后选择自己的职业生涯做准备。这一点真的值得我们国内的学校学习。想当年我们考大学的时候，根本就不知道什么专业都是干什么的，闭着眼瞎报专业。大学毕业以后，又有很多人改行。所以说，西方教育的优点，让孩子们从小就了解各行各业，对他们自己以后的努力方向，从小就有一个清晰的认识。我们也很乐意参与其中。好，下面一块儿看看我们现场录的视频。
And this summer, so my wife and my helper, so normally she just give me lots of help, but from last year, Hunter can give me lots of help too. Today, so we will talk about the HVAC technician. My career is HVAC technician. Let's talk about the HVAC. So that's the HVAC meaning. So is there somebody know what's the meaning of the H? Heating. V is ventilation, and the AC is air conditioner. In fact, this career, that's including the heating, AC, and the ventilation. So we have several certificates for HVAC. The first thing is for heating. In fact, heating should be gas filter. So that's the technician name. So if you want to do the heating only, so then you can get a gas filter ticket. So AC, so in fact now, so we don't have the AC certificate only. So we have a certificate name is refrigeration technician. So that's the technician can do the air conditioner. But normally for the residential, there's no special certificate for AC. So all the AC or refrigeration, we call the refrigeration journeyman. So I'm a gas filter A. So gas filter means for the heating, for the natural gas or propane. There's I think the 3 levels. Gas filter C is a low level, and the gas filter B for the low level of the residential, and the gas filter A is a high level for all kinds of the gas equipment, including the commercial. For the AC, so that's a refrigeration journeyman for all kinds of refrigeration equipment, including the commercial like a walk-in cooler, freezer, and residential air conditioner, freezer, lots of stuff included. But there's no residential air conditioners certificate only. V is ventilation. So in fact, for us, we don't need the certificate to do the ventilation. The ventilation here, you can see there's a venting. It's here, is right? Or is a supply vent. That's the duct work. That's a ventilation meaning. We have a certificate for the ventilation. They call the sheet metal. Yeah. So, but for us, for HVAC technician, so we don't need the certificate, but we can do the residential sheet metal. Okay. So that's the HVAC meaning. I don't know if you guys know what we do normally. That's the meaning for HVAC. But what we do normally, every day, what we do? Is there somebody know? So let's see. I think this equipment maybe you guys should be know. Every house they should have the heating and the water heater. So do you know which is the furnace? Which one? No, cylinder is a water heater. Okay, so let's see. This is a furnace. Furnace we call the space heater. Just heat the space we live in. So like the room here, so we have a rooftop unit. But the rooftop unit is a little different with residential. So the rooftop unit, one unit, including the furnace, and the air conditioner. It's 2-in-1. Okay. So, but for residential, like this furnace, so there's like 2 white pipe to go outside. This one is exhaust pipe, another is intake. We call the combustion air intake. Yeah, so because the natural gas, when it's a flame, there will be the air needed and the exhaust go outside. The cylinder is water heater. So let's see. So this is the round tank is a water heater. So that's every house we need for the hot water. So like the kitchen, the washroom, we use every day. So but now there's a new equipment we call tankless water heater. Just a smaller and hung on the wall. It just supply the instantaneous hot water. Yeah, so that's for the residential. Normally we see the furnace and the water heater. So this one, so maybe some house they use we call in-floor heating. Just the heating for the hot water under the ground. Just make the room hot enough. It's better than the furnace for the noise size. So like the furnace, there's the airflow will be big noise. But this one is under the ground. It's only the hot water inside. So they use they call the radiation heating. So there's no noise. So and more clean. So like the furnace, the airflow every day. Do you know? So what's clean the house for the furnace? If we run the furnace, so I think your dad or mommy will change the something every month or every 2 months. Do you know what's that? Yes, yeah, you're right. Yeah, so because the air flow every day, so we need clean the air. So that's the air filter function. Yeah, so we need to change the filter maybe every month, every 2 months. Yeah, so but in-floor heating we don't need. There's no air circulation for the in-floor heating. So if you need, so we need to install another equipment for the airflow only. So next one, fireplace. So I think everyone likes this one, right? Because in the Christmas day, so the Santa will be give us the gift. That's from the fireplace chimney. In fact, for the new fireplace, there's no chimney like before. The old chimney goes through the roof, but new one, so we call the direct vent. It goes through the side wall. For the new building, if you have the new house and a new fireplace, so you will see the exhaust is from the side of the wall, not from the roof. That's a fireplace. And this guy, so I think almost every house, they have this one in the outside of the yard. Maybe backyard, maybe side yard. This is an air conditioner outside unit. We call it condenser. Yeah, condenser unit. So you can see there's 2 copper pipe through the wall and go into side. Just another unit inside above the furnace in the duct. Normally you cannot see the indoor unit, but it is there. Yeah, so these 2 indoor unit, outdoor unit connect together by the copper pipe. That's all connected together is an air conditioner. This gives us the cold in the summertime. Do you know what's this? Is it suction the heat or discharge the heat? The outside unit. In the sun, yes. Oh, you're so clever. Yeah, so you know lots. Yeah, so in fact, inside unit suction the heat from inside and then make the inside room cold. And this one is the outside unit, discharge the heat, suction from the inside. That's make the room cold enough. Yeah, but now we have another equipment we call heat pump. The heat pump will be reversed in winter time. Like in winter time, inside unit will be changed to like this one, condenser. It will discharge the heat inside of the room in the winter time, make the inside room hot enough, and the outside will be cold. That's the air conditioner. Okay, so this one we call ductless split air conditioner. Yeah, so this indoor unit we can see inside the house, maybe hung on the wall or somewhere. But this one normally we use like a condo, like an apartment. Normally not for the single house. But sometimes like some room is very hot in the summertime. Maybe we only install one unit in that room. That's the split unit. Okay, so this one is almost the same like the single unit, but this is a window air conditioner. For a small house or small room, we just install it because it's easily to install just close to the window or somewhere like that. Yeah, so we call it a window air conditioner or window heat pump. Heat pump can give the heat in the winter time, but the air conditioner only can give the cool. So this is a portable AC. So just for smaller room and sometimes it's harder to install the central air conditioner. Okay, this one normally is heat pump. So if you travel outside and live in the hotel, so maybe you can see this one. So it's just normally under the window. So it can give the heat in winter time and cool in summertime. Yeah, this is we call the package one. So like heat and cool installed together, and the unit is smaller. Yeah, so this one is normally in hotel. Okay, at last is heat pump. Heat pump in fact normally is look like air conditioner. So if you are not familiar with the system, you cannot figure out which one is a heat pump, which one is an air conditioner. The only thing we can tell is if it can give us the heat in winter time, that's a heat pump. So if not, that's only the air conditioner. So now the government just promote like because the heat pump can save energy and some carbon problem, so they just promote the heat pump. They want to change the furnace to heat pump. But in Kelowna is too cold in winter time. If we just use the heat pump, not the furnace, maybe we need to install the electrical elementary to give us the extra heat in winter time, because only the heat pump is not hot enough. Yeah, so that's a little difference. Yeah, but we will see more and more equipment use a heat pump, not the AC only. This we call the ventilation, like the airflow show us. The cold side, like the blue side, that's a cold side. It's a cold air. We call return air. And after the return air comes through and through the air filter, and then go to the furnace, heated by the natural gas, and then hot air will blow everywhere. Yeah, so that's the air circulation. So if, for example, we don't have the furnace in the house, but we still need the air circulation. Normally, maybe we install a HRV, the heating recovery unit. That gives us the fresh air. The new house, like the building code require all the new house, they need the HRV, the fresh air for us. It's good for the house. Exhaust fan. I think all the washrooms, there should be the exhaust fan. The new house, they use the HRV to instead of the exhaust fan. Yeah, but the function is the same. Just suction the still air to outside. This commercial duct work, unlike ours here, is we can see the duct, but in the residential, normally it's concealed in the ceiling. Only maybe the basement we can see the duct there. This picture it show us all the HVAC. Furnace is heating, AC is air conditioning, and the duct work is air circulation, it's a ventilation. That's all we do every day. We install the equipment, repair the equipment. If you have any heating, ventilation, and AC problem, you need to call the HVAC technician or HVAC company. I will show you. That's a service van I drive every day. So in fact, lots of tools and equipment we stock in the car. So every day we do the job, we need different tools. So I take some tools here. I just show what we use every day here. But the big equipment I cannot take every day. So that's in the service one. So if we need, we just take from there. So normally there's big tools for the refrigeration job, and so some parts, we stock in the car. This is like the HVAC technician service for the AC. We can see there's a two head gauge we call refrigeration gauge. That gauge is normally the traditional gauge, but now we use the digital one. That is an analog. We can see the needle there, but if the needle we read the reading is not that correct. Sometimes is maybe different guy read is different number there, but the new one, digital one, is just numbers on the screen. So everyone sees is the same. The old one, so is a little harder to use, but the new one, so we even don't have the like those gauge there. We just use like this one, this small package. So that's including all those two heads refrigeration gauge. Like this one, temperature sensor, I can clamp on the copper pipe and then know the temperature. In fact, we can see like this, it still can tell my finger's temperature there. And this, just like those 2-3 holes there, and just connect to the AC, and then all these numbers will be shown in my phone. There's the app, and we can download the app and connect to this equipment. After that, so it will show me the pressure, temperature, and lots of information there. After that, so if the equipment there's problem, it even can tell me, so what's roughly the problem, and how to correct the problem. And after we correct all the problem, it can create a report. If you want, you can print out and give to the customer, or even email to customer directly. That's a new technology. Okay, I like this one because everything is made easier. This is my gauge I used before. The left one, so I think I bought it maybe 20 years ago. Then the second one. The third one and the fourth one is digital one. So we can see the screen there. There is a newer technology. So even like the fourth one is the same brand with I just show you guys this one. It can connect to the cell phone too. Okay. For example, if I work on the roof, I connect the equipment. I even can see the the readings here, everywhere. So like 1 kilometer, around 1 kilometer, it can connect to my cell phone. So it's very good. So I like all the high technology. I don't know if you guys like the high technology, but today we talk about is HVAC technician. HVAC technician, I can tell yours is the salary or the wages is pretty high in the trade. Okay, so if you just a new technician, so just get your certificate like gas fitter or refrigeration journeyman, like those tech certificates, maybe you can get 50 to 80,000 1 year. But if you work long time, like you are a senior technician, maybe you can take about I think over 100,000. Okay, if you run your own business, because this trade is easy to run your own business, you can be your own boss. Yeah, so maybe you can make higher, like 200,000 every year. Yeah, that's good for us, right? Today we talk about the HVAC career. Is that everyone who has a question about that? Who want to know the other things?
Why did you want to be an HVAC technician?
I'm sorry.
Why did you want to be an HVAC technician?
Oh, okay, that's a good question. So in fact, I graduated from university. If I stay in China, I will do the engineer job. Okay, but here, I don't want to stay at the office. Just stay there and make design and use the computer and don't talk to the other guys. So I want to go to the job site and see what's the equipment there and talk to the customer about the question. That's what I want to do. Yeah, I don't want just to sit there and stay there the whole day. Yeah, I want to challenge everything. Because HVAC technician, you will meet everything, like every different equipment. 4 years. Yeah, I learned in the university for 4 years, and after graduated, I work for the HVAC company. That's what we want to do. So we learn in the school, and after that, so you just choose a career by your interest, right? Maybe, but until now, I like HVAC technician. Like I said, so every day we see the different equipment, and we see different customer. We can challenge yourself. In fact, in this trade, I think the refrigeration mechanic or refrigeration journeyman is the highest level for all the technicians, because they need to know like electrical and gas, refrigeration, ventilation. They almost need to know everything, and then they can easy to solve the problem. Otherwise, so maybe some guy only know the gas, some guy only know the the ventilation. So but we need to know everything. That's why so it's called HVAC technician. Heating, ventilation, air conditioning, everything you have to know. That's challenge every day. So because lots of equipment we never see. If you go there, oh, I never see this equipment. I just don't want to do. So then you just stop there. Like we study here. So if you feel the math is difficult, but you still want to try to learn, right? Learn more and you know more. Just like that. I hope your guys will learn more and later can do better job and go into a good trade and get more money. That's at last we want, right? Any question? So I can tell you the tools I use every day. Normally, if just a repair, just this bag, it can use it for almost 90% job to repair. Like this one, so normally just open the the equipment cover and take off the parts, change the parts. This is a good thing. So we call it a refrigeration leak detector. There's the other different ones, like a gas leak detector, carbon monoxide detector. Yeah, we have lots different like these tools. So now, so we can hear is noise there, but if there's a leak, so there will be another noise. I can show you. So this one, if we just do like this, it will, you see? Yeah, so this for the refrigeration. If used for gas, there's another thing, so it cannot tell. Like this, it will not change the noise. But this one is it can tell, The other tools normally we use is this one. There's two functions. One, we can tell the temperature. You can see the red dot there. So now the temperature is 21 degrees. We can check everywhere. So like normally, so when we do the air conditioner, we will check the wind. So we can check the wind temperature here. Now it's 20 degrees there. Yeah. So another thing, we call it NCV. It's non-contact voltage detector. So if we check the outlet, if there's a power there, we don't need like this gauge, the multimeter. We don't need to use this two probe plug into the outlet. Just leave there and then it can tell. Let's see if we can tell here. You can hear? That means there's the power there. Okay? Yeah, so it's very good, very convenient. So this one, normally we check the numbers, like how many voltage, how many ampere, but this one just tell if it's the power there. Sometimes we don't need to know if it's there the 24 volts or 120 volts. We just want to know if there's a power there, right? Yeah, that's the different tools tell us different things. Okay, so in fact, lots of tools. If you are interested, we can book time. So just let Hunter visit my car, you know. I have lots of tools, almost everything. Yeah, so if you're interested, tell me. Okay?